In this video, how to hire freelancer on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step how to hire a freelancer using LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the type of freelancer you want to hire. For example, search freelance designer or freelance developer. Press enter to see the search results. Now click the tab called People. You will see profiles of available professionals. Open a freelancer profile to view more details. Review the professional's skills and experience. Check if the freelancer has experience in the required field. Look at their portfolio or previous projects. If the profile matches your needs, click the message button. Write a message explaining the project. Describe the type of work that needs to be done. Explain the deadline and available budget. Send the message to start the conversation. You can also publish a post looking for freelancers. Click Start a Post on the homepage. Write a description of the project and required skills. Publish the post so freelancers can contact you. This is how you can hire freelancers using LinkedIn.